first PC students. Yesterday, what we did learn some exercise, completed exercise, intersections, unions, difference, A union B, A intersection B, union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, and the properties of union, properties of intersection, and the problems also management completed. Today, the last topic is practical problems on next topic. Practical problems on union and intersection, of two sets. Practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Okay. Already Venn diagrams also completed. This is very important concept, and it comes 100% 3 marks question, 1 question in examination. 3 marks question, guarantee question. Already yesterday some diagrams also completed. This is A, this is B, A, this is B. Three areas, different areas. This is the universal set. This is rectangle total universal set. A, the first circle, the total first circle is A. The second circle is B. Only this area. What? A minus B. A minus B. A ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ಏರಿಯಾನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ A from B. Remove A area from B. So this is B minus A. This is what? A intersection B. A B common area. Okay. So if first one, if A and B are finite sets and A intersection B is equal to 5. A intersection is equal to 5. A intersection is equal to 5 means what? Disjoint set. Joint means this is combined. Disjoint means separate. Okay. A B intersection 5 means there is no common element in these two sets. These two sets have no common element. Okay. So finite sets and A intersection B is equal to pi andre what is one? N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B is the norm. If A and B are finite sets, if A and B are finite sets, then only finite sets. Here first one finite sets and A intersection B is equal to pi. In second one A and B are finite sets only, then N of A union B, N of A union B If A and B, A, B, C are finite sets, next the third one. If A, B, C are finite sets, if three sets A, B and C are finite sets, A, B and C are finite sets, then n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Three formulas. In three formulas, maximum this is the second one is very important. Two sets. So this is three sets. You want two sets means n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Here three sets are there. A, B, C. A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C plus A in both three intersections C. This one. Okay, n of A union is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So, what is n of A intersection B? N of A intersection B also same n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. A union B is equal to A plus A minus intersection. N of A intersection B also, this minus A intersection B goes to left side, this plus A intersection B goes to right side, plus convert into minus, minus convert into plus. This one. Okay. Next. N of A plus from 2, second result from 2. N of A plus N of B is equal to what? N of A plus N of B is equal to N of A intersection B plus N of A union B. These are some result from the second is the main result. These are some results of. Okay, next. Third result, n of A union B union C is equal to. Proof. N of A union B union C is equal to. First, this n of A union B, for example, let A union B, B union C. Let B union C is equal to B. Say. This is proof. N of A union B union C. Proof. The answer, solution, proof. First we have to take B union C is equal to D. So what is next step? N of A union B. Why D? B union C is equal to what? D. Take D. B union C is equal to D. B union C is equal to D. So what is the A union B formula? Second formula. A union B is equal to what? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Next. N of A plus n of B. D is equal to n of B. N of B is equal to what? B union C minus n of A intersection B union C. D, substitute D. So that is equal to n of A. This is also same formula, A union B formula. So n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C. So minus n of, this is A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B. A intersection B union A intersection C. The last one convert into, this is A intersection B union A intersection C. So that is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus, once again apply A union B formula. A union B is equal to, this is taken X, this is Y, n of X union Y. N of X union Y is equal to n of X plus n of Y minus n of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. This is also again formula, second formula, A union B formula. N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the final one. N of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection plus C minus n of A intersection C minus into minus plus. These all are intersection operator with only single operator. Here double operator, but that can be converted this type. This is the single operator. These all are n of A intersection B intersection C. This is the proof of n of A union n of A union B union C. This is the proof of that. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next go to exercise. Problem number 1. If x and y are two sets, if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements. 50 elements, comma, x has X has 28 elements. 28 elements, and y has 32 32 elements. 32 elements. How many elements? How many elements does X intersection Y have? How many elements does X intersection Y have? So X union Y has how many elements? 50 elements. X union Y. So number of elements in X union Y is equal to n of X union Y is nothing but number of elements in X union Y is 50. Number of elements in X, n of X is equal to 28. Number of elements in Y, n of Y is equal to 32. What is? How many elements does X intersection Y have? So n of X intersection Y is equal to question mark. Direct formula, n of X intersection Y is equal to, what is the formula? N of X plus n of Y minus n of X union Y. N of X is equal to 28 plus n of Y 32 minus 50. So 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. No, the number of elements in X intersection Y is equal to how many elements? 10 elements. Okay, this is the one of the simplest method. Okay, this is the first type. Okay. In a group of 400 people, in a group of 400 people, 25 can speak, 250 can speak Hindi. 25 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. Hindi, 200 English. How many people can speak? How many people can speak? How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Both Hindi and English. ARB means A union B. Either A or B means also A union B. ARB, either A or B. A and B. A and B means A intersection B. A and B means A intersection B. Both A and B is also A intersection B. Okay, here A or B, either A or B, A and B, both A and B. A or B, either A or B means A union B. A and B, both A and B means A have to calculate A intersection B. So, in a group of how many peoples? 400 peoples. So, 400 total students, 400 students. So, N of, let HP speak in English. Let HB people speak in English. People speak in English, in Hindi, speak in Hindi. And EB, people speak in English. Simply English say H, English say he, and Hindi say H simply. So, number of English, Hindi both A union E, total students 400. Total students is nothing but union nothing but total Hindi, English, all languages. Okay, you can speak all languages. A union total 400 students. So, N of A union H union is equal to 400. Can speak Hindi, and N of H is equal to 250. Can speak English. N of E is equal to 200. So, how many people can speak both Hindi and English? So, N of H, both means intersection. E is equal to N of H plus N of E minus N of H union E. So, that is equal to 250 plus 200 minus 400. That is equal to 50. N of H intersection E is equal to 50. Okay, this is the second model. The first model directly intersection union are given. This is the English or some members drinking tea or coffee, speak English, Hindi, speak playing cricket, hockey. This type of questions. So, this type of question. This is second model of question. Next. Next one. In a school, next one. In a school, there are 20 teachers. There are 20 teachers there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics, nothing but maths, who teach maths or physics. Who teach maths or physics. 20 teachers teach maths or physics. Please stop. Of these, 12 teach mathematics, maths. 12 teach maths, and 4 teach both physics and maths. Both physics and maths. How many teach physics? Question: how many teach physics? Question. Solution. First, let M be the who teach maths, who teach mathematics. Simply mathematics is lengthy, so simply M be the mathematics and P be the who teach physics. Okay, so number of teaching mathematics, who teach maths or physics. These 12 teach maths. Okay, how many physics? So how many teach physics? The question mark. Now maths or physics, n of maths, r means union, physics is equal to 20. So 12 teach maths and 4 teach both physics and maths. Physics and maths, and is nothing but intersection is 4. So problem, read carefully. First, in a school there are 20 teachers who teach maths or physics. 20 teacher maths or physics. M denoted by maths, P denoted by physics. So R means union. Next, 12 teach maths, not only 12 teach maths, n of M. 4 teach both physics and maths. 4 teach physics and maths, and is nothing but intersection. So how many teach physics? N of P is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? N of M union P is equal to N of M plus N of P minus N of M intersection P. So N of P is equal to N of M union P, minus goes to the other side, plus N of M intersection P. M union P plus M intersection P minus N of M. So direct term, N of M union P is equal to 20, M intersection P is equal to 4, N of M is equal to 12. Okay, so that is equal to 20 plus 4, 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Only physics, teach physics. Who teach physics? N of P is equal to 12. Only both A or B, A and B is not. Some problems are only physics, only maths. This type of questions is, this is the third model. So next one, Next one. In a survey of 400 students, page number 23. Page number 23. In a survey, SURVEY, survey of 400 students. Survey of 400 students in a school. 400 students in a school. 100 were listed. 100 were listed as taking apple juice. As taking apple juice, GUIC, juice. 150 as taking orange juice. And 75 were listed. 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange. Apple as well as orange juice. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor. How many students were taking orange juice? How many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? Neither apple juice nor orange juice. Question mark. In survey of 400 students in a school, total students 400 students. That is the universal, final, total, the biggest set. 400 students. 100 were listed as taking apple juice. So let A for apple. Next orange, O for orange. Okay. Apple juice, let take any apple juice A, orange juice O. So N of U. 100 were listed as taking apple juice. Apple juice means N of A. N of A how many? 100. 150 as taking orange juice. N of O, orange juice, is 75, orange juice. And 75 are listed as taking both apple and orange. Both apple and means intersection orange is equal to how many? 75 listed taking both 150, 100. So how many taking orange juice? 150 as taking orange juice. Orange juice how many? 150. So 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange. This is 75 degrees. How many students were taking neither apple nor orange? Neither apple nor orange. Both not. So I have to list A or B, A union B, either A or B, A union B, A and B. A and B is equal to A intersection B. Both A and B, both A and B also A intersection B. Neither A nor B. Neither A nor B means both not. And orange juice, apple juice, both without taking. Okay, not taking. So not A means A complement. Intersection not B means B complement. Both not. Not means complement. Both not means A complement. Intersection B complement. So neither A or B or nor or. Neither A nor B means both not. Neither A or B means not A union or B. This one. Okay. So neither A. The formula. What is the formula? N of A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. What is the formula? A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union, reverse, you here intersection. A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union B whole complement. So A complement is equal to U minus A, universal minus A, universal minus A. So N of A union B whole complement. So N of U minus N of A union B, because A complement is equal to universal minus A. A complement is equal to universal minus A. So N of U minus N of A union B. N of U is equal to how many? N of U is equal to 400. So N of A union B is equal to what? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So 400 minus N of A is equal to 100. N of O is equal to, so A union O whole complement. N of U minus N of A union O. So N of A, N of O, N of A intersection O. N of A plus N of B 150 minus N of A intersection O 75 O. So 400 minus 250 minus 75 equal to 175. 400 minus 125, 175 equal to 225. This table, draw the table, and this is complement. So we completed the maximum sets chapters are completed. Once again, in a survey of 400 students, in a school, total students is total universal set. 100 were listed taking apple juice. Apple juice is taken A. Orange juice 150. Both orange and neither nor means both not. Both not means intersection. Not means complement. Both means intersection. Formula.